This application requires 16.0 or later. Getting the error, this application requires iOS 16.0 or later when trying to download an app. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it or work around it, even if you're using iOS 12, 13, 14, or 15. This error means the app needs features only available in iOS 16 or higher, and it won't install an older iOS version even if the app is free. Now, if you previously downloaded the app with the same Apple ID, just go to the App Store, tap on the profile, then simply go to the purchase history. Just find the app and tap the iCloud icon and simply download it again. You can also sign in to a friend's or family's newer iOS Plus devices member of their Apple ID and just download the app and then go back to your older device and try downloading it from your purchase history. Now, if you don't want to do that, what you can also do is open your settings app, go to the general and simply tap on software update and check if you can upgrade to iOS 16 or higher. Not all iPhones support the latest version, but it's worth checking. Finally, try searching the App Store for alternative apps that support your current iOS version. Some developers still keep older versions available. And that's it. You now know how to work around the iOS 16 required message and get apps working even on an older iPhone.